Have you ever considered how the fiery furnace beneath our feet shapes our world in ways you can't even imagine? Picture this. Deep beneath the surface of the Earth, a ticking time bomb of molten rock, gases and minerals churns and roils. This is the birthplace of a volcano, a force so powerful it can reshape landscapes, influence our climate, and even alter the course of human history. In the grand scheme of things, volcanoes are planetary sculptors. They are the architects of some of the most breathtaking landscapes on our planet. They've created vast mountain ranges, deep ocean trenches, and islands that dot our oceans like emeralds on a blue velvet canvas. But the power of volcanoes extends far beyond the visible. They're not just creators, but destroyers too. Their eruptions can unleash destruction on a scale that's hard to comprehend. They've buried cities, wiped out entire civilizations, and caused widespread devastation. Yet volcanoes also have a more subtle, unseen power. They play a vital role in our planet's climate. Erupting volcanoes spew out a cocktail of gases and particles into the atmosphere. These can cool the Earth's surface, altering weather patterns and even triggering climate changes that last for years. Let's not forget their role in human history. The eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD forever sealed the fate of the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum, preserving them under a blanket of ash for future generations to discover. More recently, the eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815 led to the infamous year without a summer, causing widespread crop failures and famine. These fiery behemoths are a testament to the dynamic, ever-changing nature of our planet. They remind us that Earth is a living entity, constantly evolving and reshaping itself in a cycle of creation and destruction. So, are you ready to dive into the world of these formidable forces of nature? Are you prepared to uncover the mysteries that lie beneath their smoking craters, to explore the tales of devastation and renewal they've weaved over the eons? Embark on this explosive journey as we count down the top 10 most fascinating facts about volcanoes. 10. Ever wondered how a volcano erupts? Let's delve deeper into the heart of these fiery giants to unravel this mystery. The process begins deep within the Earth, where intense heat and pressure melt the rock into a liquid called magma. This magma is less dense than the surrounding rock, causing it to rise towards the Earth's surface. As it ascends, the pressure decreases, allowing dissolved gases within the magma to expand and form bubbles. If the magma reaches the surface, we have an eruption. Now, not all eruptions are created equal. There are two main types, effusive and explosive. Effusive eruptions occur when the magma is low in silica, allowing gases to escape easily. This results in a gentle flow of lava down the volcano's slopes. On the other hand, explosive eruptions happen when the magma is high in silica, trapping the gases within. The pressure builds until it's released in a violent explosion, spewing ash, gas, and rock into the atmosphere. But what triggers these eruptions? Most often it's tectonic activity. The Earth's crust is made up of several large plates that are constantly moving. When these plates collide or pull apart, magma is generated, potentially leading to a volcanic eruption. So that's how these fiery giants unleash their power. From the depths of the Earth to the sky above, volcanoes are a fascinating demonstration of our planet's inner workings. 9. The largest volcano on Earth is actually hidden beneath the ocean waves. Nestled in the tropical paradise of Hawaii, the Mauna Loa volcano conceals most of its gargantuan size beneath the Pacific's shimmering surface. Despite its deceptive appearance as a gentle hill above sea level, Mauna Loa extends an astonishing 18,000 feet below the water, standing taller than Mount Everest if measured from its base on the ocean floor. This sleeping titan is not only tall, but expansive, stretching across an area larger than the entire state of Rhode Island. It's a testament to nature's ability to create on a scale that dwarfs human comprehension. But don't let its serene facade fool you. Mauna Loa, meaning Long Mountain in Hawaiian, has erupted 33 times since its first well-documented eruption in 1843. Each outburst reminds us of the power that lies beneath its tranquil surface. And yet, despite its magnitude and might, much of Mauna Loa remains a mystery. Its underwater expanse is a challenging frontier for exploration, with crushing pressures, pitch darkness, and freezing temperatures. Scientists believe that unraveling Mauna Loa's secrets could provide vital insights into the Earth's geological history and the dynamics of volcanic activity. This underwater giant remains largely unexplored, holding many mysteries beneath its waves. 8. The most powerful volcanic eruption in recorded history was 10,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima atomic bomb. Now let's delve a bit deeper into this. Picture it. The year is 1815, and we're in Indonesia, home to Mount Tambora. This colossal giant, silent for centuries, suddenly roared to life in a cataclysmic explosion that literally shook the world. The eruption of Mount Tambora was so powerful that it blasted an unimaginable amount of ash and debris into the sky. It was an eruption so powerful that it caused a year without summer, as the ash cloud blocked the sun's rays, causing temperatures to plummet globally. Crops failed, livestock died, and people starved. This was not just an eruption, it was a global catastrophe. Yet it's not just the power of the eruption that's awe-inspiring, it's the lasting effects it had on our planet. The Tambora eruption was a stark reminder of how our planet is continuously shaped and reshaped by the forces of nature. It's a testament to the raw, untamed power that lies beneath our feet, waiting to be unleashed. So as we marvel at the beauty of these natural wonders, let's not forget the explosive power they possess, power that can change our world in an instant, power that can alter the course of history. The power of volcanoes is truly mind-boggling. 7. Volcanoes have the power to plunge the world into a volcanic winter. What is a volcanic winter, you ask? Picture this. A volcano erupts violently, spewing massive amounts of ash and sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere. The ash and gases form a veil around the Earth, blocking sunlight and causing global temperatures to plummet. That, my friends, is a volcanic winter. Take a trip back in time to the year 71 AD, when Mount Vesuvius erupted. It not only buried the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under a thick layer of volcanic ash, but also caused a drop in temperatures across the northern hemisphere. The skies darkened, crops failed, and famine spread. In modern times, we've had a glimpse of this phenomenon. The 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens in the United States and the 1991 eruption of Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines both had noticeable effects on global weather patterns. So there you have it. Volcanoes hold in their fiery belly the power to change seasons. 6. Nearly 75% of the world's active volcanoes are part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. An astonishing fact, wouldn't you agree? This massive arc, stretching over 40,000 kilometers, holds a vast majority of our planet's active volcanoes. The Ring of Fire, as it's aptly named, is a direct result of plate tectonics and the movement and collisions of lithospheric plates. Here, the Pacific Plate meets many surrounding plates, leading to frequent volcanic activity and earthquakes. This constant tectonic turmoil makes the Ring of Fire one of the most geologically active areas on Earth. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill volcanoes either. Many are stratovolcanoes known for their steep profiles and periodic explosive eruptions. They are often synonymous with danger. Their eruptions captivating yet deadly, a vivid reminder of the Earth's raw power. But amidst the destruction, there lies creation. Where these plates collide, new crust is formed, and where they part, magma rises to fill the void, creating new land. It's a constant, never-ending cycle of creation and destruction, a testament to the dynamic nature of our living planet. And so we find ourselves humbled by the sheer scale of the Pacific Ring of Fire. A chain of volcanoes, a testament to the Earth's might, a symbol of our planet's ability to create as much as it destroys. Magma and lava, while often used interchangeably, are not the same. Quite the contrary, these terms describe two distinct states of molten rock, dependent on location. Magma is the name given to molten rock stored beneath the Earth's surface. This underground reservoir of fiery liquid is what fuels the volcanic activity we see on the surface. When this magma manages to break through the surface during a volcanic eruption, it's then referred to as lava. The temperature of both magma and lava can range from 700 to 1,200 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt gold. But it's not all about destruction. The cooling of lava forms new land and contributes to the Earth's continuous reshaping. It's a fascinating process, the hardening of liquid fire into solid rock, a process that has helped shape our continents and islands. So remember, while they both originate from the same fiery depths, it's their journey and final destination that sets magma and lava apart. magma and lava, the fiery duo that crafts and sculpts our great planet. 4. Volcanic eruptions can generate spectacular lightning storms. As surreal as it may sound, this is a real phenomenon, intriguing and breathtaking, known as volcanic lightning, or in more dramatic terms, dirty thunderstorms. But what sparks these electrifying performances? Well, it all comes down to an electrifying dance between ash and gas. When a volcano erupts, it ejects a massive plume of ash and volcanic gases into the sky. As these particles rub against each other, they generate static electricity, much like rubbing a balloon against your hair. When the charge buildup becomes too great, it discharges as a lightning bolt, illuminating the volcanic plume in an awe-inspiring display of nature's raw power. Volcanic lightning is not just a spectacular show, but also an important indicator for scientists. It can provide important information about the scale of an eruption, the ash plume's height, and even the ash particle sizes, helping to predict the potential impact of the eruption. There have been numerous notable instances of volcanic lightning, but one that stands out is the 2008 eruption of Chaitén in Chile. The sky was ablaze with volcanic lightning, a sight that was as beautiful as it was terrifying. So the next time you see images of a volcanic eruption with streaks of lightning piercing the ashen sky, remember, it's not just a fantastical spectacle, it's a real electrifying event in our natural world. A spectacle of nature's raw power lighting the darkened ash-filled skies. 3. Volcanoes can be life-givers. A paradoxical statement, isn't it? But let's delve deeper. The destructive force of volcanoes is undeniable. Yet, in the wake of their wrath, they leave behind a gift, incredibly fertile soil. Volcanic soil, also known as andesol, is enriched with nutrients from the Earth's core. The high mineral content, including iron, magnesium, and potassium, makes this soil a veritable feast for plants. Additionally, the porous nature of volcanic soil allows for excellent water retention, creating an ideal environment for plant roots to thrive. This abundance of nutrients breathes life into the surrounding ecosystems, leading to a rich diversity of plant and animal species. Some of the world's most fertile farmlands are located near active and dormant volcanoes, including the slopes of Mount Vesuvius in Italy, the volcanic islands of Hawaii, and the highlands of Ecuador. These regions are celebrated for their bountiful harvests, a testament to the life-giving properties of volcanic soil. But it's not just about agriculture. The lush ecosystems that arise from volcanic landscapes also support a wide variety of wildlife. From insects to birds to mammals, these creatures find a haven in the nutrient-rich habitats created by volcanic activity. So while volcanoes may initially bring destruction, they also sow the seeds for new beginnings. They are a testament to the enduring cycle of life and death, a reminder of nature's resilience and capacity for regeneration. From destruction springs forth life. Volcanoes are not unique to Earth. That's right, the fiery spectacle that has both awed and terrified humans for millennia is not an earthly exclusive. Our planet does not hold a monopoly on these geological giants. They exist beyond our world, gracing other celestial bodies with their explosive beauty. Consider Io, one of Jupiter's largest moons. This moon is not just a barren, icy wasteland, as one might expect. No, Io is the most volcanically active body in our solar system. It's a world ablaze, adorned with over 400 active volcanoes. Its surface is a canvas of vivid colors painted by sulfur and sulfur dioxide from its relentless volcanic activity. The immense gravitational tug-of-war between Jupiter and the other Galilean moons heats Io's interior, leading to such intense volcanic activity. These volcanoes don't just erupt silently into the void. They send plumes of material hundreds of kilometers into space. Io's volcanism is so extreme it contributes to Jupiter's own magnetosphere. But Io is not alone. Volcanoes have been discovered on our moon, Mars, Venus, and even on Pluto. They may not spew lava as we know it. Instead, they can eject water, ammonia, or methane in what scientists call cryovolcanism. So whether it's the fiery inferno of Io or the icy jets of Enceladus, it's clear that volcanoes are not just an earthly spectacle. They are a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. Volcanoes are cosmic phenomenon. Some of the world's most dangerous volcanoes are those that are currently quiet. A seemingly paradoxical statement, yet it rings with a chilling truth. These are the dormant or sleeping giants of our world. volcanoes that have not erupted for hundreds, sometimes thousands of years. Silent yet imposing, they stand as reminders of the unpredictable power that lies beneath our feet. Dormant volcanoes are like ticking time bombs. They may not show any signs of activity for long periods, but this does not mean they are dead. Rather, they are in a state of geological sleep, their fiery fury merely paused, not extinguished. Dormancy is a phase in a volcano's life cycle, a time of rest before an inevitable awakening. These sleeping giants present a unique challenge for volcanologists. Their long periods of inactivity can make it difficult to predict when they might erupt again. The signs are often subtle, easily overlooked, until it's too late. Take, for instance, the Campi Flegrei caldera, located in the bustling metropolitan city of Naples, Italy. This sleeping giant has been quiet for nearly 4,000 years, its last major eruption dating back to the Bronze Age. Yet scientists believe that it could awaken at any moment, its eruption potentially impacting millions of people. Or consider the Yellowstone caldera, a dormant volcano hidden beneath one of America's most visited national parks. It last erupted about 640,000 years ago, an event so powerful it changed the global climate. Today it slumbers, but with each passing year the pressure beneath it builds, a grim reminder of the inevitable. These are but two examples of the hundreds of dormant volcanoes scattered across our globe, each one a potential threat. They are silent, yet their potential for destruction is immense. They are the sleeping giants of our world, their slumber a deceptive calm before the storm. Sleeping giants, they may wake up any day. A chilling thought indeed, but an essential reminder of the volatile world we live in. For as long as the earth continues to churn and roil beneath our feet, these giants will continue to sleep, to dream, and one day to awaken. From space volcanoes to life-giving properties, the world of volcanoes is as fascinating as it is terrifying. We've journeyed together through the unseen power that lies beneath our feet, to the ashen clouds that darken our skies. We've dove into the depths to witness the majesty of underwater giants and marveled at the explosive force that shapes our world. We've explored the chilling reality of a volcanic winter and journeyed along the fiery ring of fire. We've learned the differences between lava and magma and beheld the electrifying spectacle of volcanic lightning. We've celebrated the life-giving properties of volcanic soil and gazed in awe at the space volcanoes that dwarf our earthly counterparts. We've stood in the shadow of sleeping giants, aware of their slumbering might. All these wonders and terrors remind us of the power and importance of understanding volcanoes. As we tread on this volcanic planet, let us remember beneath our feet simmer the cauldrons that shaped and mold our world. Cherished viewer, your support matters. Kindly bestow a like, circulate widely, and pledge your subscription for more thrilling content.